Welcome to Neural Networks in Machine Learning for Developers, a video course by Packt Publishing. In this course, you will learn the math and mechanics of machine learning via a developer-friendly approach. Machine learning is one of the star disciplines at present. Acclaimed by the media as the future of work, it is said to be part of any significant tech investment in recent months, in a world where everything is driven by data and automation. It is used extensively across many fields, such as image understanding, robotics, search engines, self-driving cars, and so on, and the number of areas of application increases almost daily. In this course, we will study the motivations and current techniques of machine learning using code and diagrams as the main conceptual vehicles, omitting outside the fundamental mathematical results. We will start talking about the fundamental machine learning concepts in branches and types of problems. As we advance, models of increasing complexity and sophistication are explained, starting with linear regression, then logistic regression. This fast-paced video tutorial gives you a glimpse of machine learning models and the application of models at scale, using clustering, classification, regression, and reinforcement learning with fun examples. The very first section covers one of the basic building blocks of modern machine learning applications and ends with the practical step-by-step building of a neural network. The next section covers this powerful variation of neural networks and ends with a practical tour of the internals of a very well-known architecture of CNN. After that, in recurrent neural networks, we will cover an overview of the RNN concept and complete depiction of all the stages of the most used architecture, the LSTM. The final section covers two upcoming techniques that have engaged huge interest in the field: generative adversarial networks and the whole reinforcement learning field. This course is focused on machine learning concepts and Python 3 and the Jupyter Notebook to build our workbooks, which you can edit and play with to better understand the concepts. So let's begin this wonderful journey together, and I hope to see you there.